AI replace doctors? This question is everywhere now. People are worried, medical students are confused, technology is moving very fast. Artificial intelligence can already read x-rays it, can scan MRI images it, can analyze blood reports it, can predict diseases before symptoms appear in many hospitals. AI helps detect cancer earlier, it helps predict heart attacks, it warns doctors about sepsis risk, it can even suggest possible diagnosis. So some people think maybe doctors are not needed in the future, but medicine is not only data, medicine is human connection, medicine is listening, medicine is trust. When a patient is scary, I cannot hold their hand. When a family is crying, AI cannot give comfort. When there is uncertainty, AI cannot take moral responsibility. Doctors do not just read reports, they understand emotions, they consider family history, they think about social problems, they look at the whole human being. AI works on patterns from past data. Doctors work with experience, judgment, and empathy. Also, think about responsibility. If AI makes a mistake, who is responsible? The hospital, the company, the doctor. That is why global health organizations like the World Health Organization say AI should support doctors, not replace them. The real future is doctors using AI as a powerful tool, like a calculator did not replace mathematicians, like airplanes did not replace pilots. I will not replace doctors. Instead, doctors who use AI will replace doctors who do not use AI. Medicine will become faster, diagnosis will become more accurate, treatment will become more personalized, but the human touch will always matter. So can AI replace doctors? No, but it will completely change how doctors work,